Hi all, I am Jayashri, Department of Pharmacology, going to discuss about various gastrointestinal secretions of GIT. Coming to introduction about gastrointestinal secretions. It refers to the process by which the digestive system releases fluids and enzymes that aid in the breakdown of food, absorption of nutrients, and overall digestive function. Various gastrointestinal secretions include salivary juice from salivary gland, gastric juice from stomach, intestinal juice from intestine, pancreatic juice from pancreas, bile juice from liver. First, we will see about salivary secretions in detail. It is produced by salivary glands, such as parotid glands, submandibular glands, and sublingual glands. Various components present in saliva is water, electrolytes, mucus, and enzymes, such as salivary amylase for starch digestion and lysozyme for antibacterial action, blood clotting factors. Secretion of saliva is under automatic nerve control. About 1.5 liters of saliva is produced daily. Next, about salivary secretion, parasympathetic stimulation causes vasodilation and profuse secretion of watery saliva with a relatively low content of enzymes and other organic substances. Sympathetic stimulation causes vasoconstriction and secretion of small amounts of saliva rich in organic material, especially from submandibular glands. Functions of saliva includes moistens food, begins carbohydrate digestion, and aids in swallowing. Chemical digestion of polysaccharides. Saliva contains the enzyme amylase that begins the breakdown of complex sugars, including starches, reducing them to the disaccharide maltose, lubrication of food. Dry food entering the mouth is moistened and lubricated by saliva before it can be made into a bolus ready for swallowing. Non-specific defense, lysozyme, immunoglobulins and clotting factors combat invading microbes. Taste. The sense of taste and smell are closely linked and involved in the enjoyment of food. Next, about gastric secretion from stomach. It is produced by cells in the stomach lining, including parietal, chief, and mucus cells. Gastric juice contains hydrochloric acid is secreted by parietal cells, lowers pH to help break down food and kill pathogens. Pepsinogen, which is an inactive precursor secreted by chief cells that converts to pepsin to digest proteins. Mucus is secreted by goblet cells, protects the stomach lining from the acidic environment. Intrinsic factor is essential for vitamin B12 absorption. Water and mineral salts are secreted by gastric glands. Gastric juice is secreted in gastric gland. There are 3 phases in secretion of gastric juice: cephalic phase, gastric phase, intestinal phase. In cephalic phase, flow of juice occurs before food reaches the stomach and is due to reflex stimulation of the vagus nerves initiated by the sight, smell, or taste of food. In gastric phase, when stimulated by the presence of food, the enteroendocrine cells in the pyloric antrum and duodenum secrete gastrin, a hormone which passes directly into the circulating blood. Intestinal phase, when the partially digested contents of the stomach reach the small intestine, 2 hormones, secretin and cholecystokinin, are produced by endocrine cells in the intestinal mucosa. Functions of gastric juice. Water further liquefies the food swallowed. HCl acidifies the food and stops the action of salivary amylase, kills ingested microbes, provides the acid environment needed for effective digestion by pepsins. Pepsinogens are activated to pepsin by HCl and by pepsins already present in the stomach. Intrinsic factors are necessary for absorption of vitamin B12 from the ileum. Mucus prevents mechanical injury to stomach wall by lubricating the contents. Intestinal juice, it is produced by intestine. Its composition include water, mucus, mineral salts. About 1,500 milliliters of intestinal juice are secreted daily by the gland of the small intestine. Its functions include secretion of the hormones cholecystokinin and secretin, absorption of nutrition. Next, about pancreatic juice. It is produced by pancreas. Components include mixture of digestive enzymes such as amylase, lipase, proteases, inactive precursors such as trypsinogen, chymotrypsinogen, and bicarbonate ions. The secretion of pancreatic juice is stimulated by cholecystokinin and secretin. Functions of pancreas include the following: digestion of proteins. Trypsinogen and chymotrypsinogen are inactive enzyme precursors activated by enterokinase, which converts them into trypsin and chymotrypsin. Digestion of carbohydrates. Pancreatic amylase converts all digestible polysaccharides not acted upon by salivary amylase to disaccharides. Digestion of fats. Lipase converts fats to fatty acids and glycerol. Bile juice. It is produced by liver and stored in the gallbladder. Its components include bile salts, bilirubin, cholesterol, and phospholipids. Its functions include emulsification of fats, aiding in their digestion and absorption. Thank you for watching.